Hey guys, this is camp for the night. We got the Truckology UL80 pads, Truckology Aloof 2 pillow with strap, and Outdoor Vitals quilt. Susan's not done setting up yet, but we're all in our Camp Right cot tent. Guys, up there in the center of this video, we have trash pandas. We have two. They both stole something off the table. The little one up there, and then there's one.
What did they just wait?
They're getting ready to jump on you.
Jump on me and you're a hat, okay? Strapped to the air mat. This is what I'm waking up to. Sun's just about to come up. Good night sleep on the Truckology UL80 sleep pad, a Aloof 2.0 pillow with strap. Pillow still in place, never moved. Strap is the best thing. Outdoor Vital quilts, 20 degree, more than warm enough. Now it's off to the restroom. This is something we don't see here. This stream we've only seen running once in like the 18 years that we've been living up here. But it's very cool. Heading over to the truck. Yeah, Jeep's not here. Jeep's been broken down for the last week. I'm waiting for parts, hoping to fix it. fall colors coming in a little bit, which is nice. Okay guys, here's the new stove. It's a big one. It's not for backpacking. It's the Camp Chief.